And now we're ready for a meditation. The music, the inspiration already here. Feel yourself as a tree. We have so many beautiful trees, all kinds of trees. But feel now below you as you breathe, feel the roots going below your feet into the earth, Mother Earth. Breathing, feeling now the energies going up your legs, up your body, up your torso. Breathing, feeling yourself as a beautiful tree. Your branches, your arms, the leaves, inspiration from above, and the light of the sun shines upon you. The light, and you take in with your skin, with your hair, with your inspiration. You take in the light, the sun, inspired. Breathe it in, allowing that light and the rays of the sun going deep, deep within your being. And now you shine. You are. You just are. Taking it all in, refreshed, a part of life, a part of nature. Allow the light and the inspiration to go deep into your being, coming back right now, bringing your magnificence right back here, back to this room, back to this place. Thank you for being.